This 2018 Ford Transit van is brought to you by McAdenville Motors. We believe you should and amp number 39 T have to argue to get a fair price, which is why all of our prices are no haggle. You and amp number 39 LL get a great car at a great price without all the stress and worries of used car sales. Please call ahead with questions or to verify any equipment. Guaranteed financing for everyone, with rates as low as 3.25% minus 90-day limited warranty. Not all vehicles will qualify. Covers all of your vehicle's important systems, plus hundreds of parts inside and out. Repairs made under warranty cost you nothing. Parts and labor are included. Every car undergoes a 125-plus point inspection including engine and transmission, plus heating and cooling systems, brakes, suspension, steering, and drive axles, lighting, electrical, body and interior, plus all instrument and controls. Listed price is cash price and does not include tax, tag, or documentation fee. A+ rating with the BBB and over 12 years in business. See store for written details. Visit us at McAdenvilleMotors.com.